Hey there, hello there. My name's Adam. Welcome back to my channel, Kaputy Inc. Today's project, I've got a Hiniker snowplow that has the wrong pin connector to hook up to all my other trucks. This must be a newer style or something like that. So we're gonna see if the one I ordered on eBay is correct, and see if it's just as simple as switching it out. So if you've been here before, please subscribe. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I'm begging you. Let's get kicking. There's the masterpiece, folks. Hiniker, 8-foot, straight blade. Nicest plow I ever owned. Guy I bought it from, Dan. That's Dan with an S. Didn't really use it much. So he'd had it sitting around, and I swindled it off him for a couple of bags of leaves. You'd think that that wouldn't be worth much, but he does composting, and so he's happier than a pig in shit, I guess. So here's the old plug. Let's see if we can pick that up. Okay, this is technically, I'm guessing this is a new style plug. This is probably what an old style plug looks like. There we go. And this is what I have on all my rigs. So we're just trying to switch them out. This should be just a 4-function plow. It should be a simple swap. So come along for the ride, won't you? So I ordered this on eBay. I think I had to pay, what was it, like 250 bucks? It's outrageous. But we gotta be. It's brand new. Let's see here. This is what I got. It's see a part number on there. It says 4-function 38813036. It's a genuine Hiniker part number. So it looks like it's got all the plugs I need and everything. So we'll just start cutting zip ties and see if we can't get this thing mounted in here. Forward. Apparently. All right. Let's see. We got each one of these. So there's looks like a brown wire here, gray wire here. We'll re-zip tie the shit out of this stuff. Alright. One here we need to get rid of. Cool. Enthusiastic about the zip ties, my kind of people. Nothing wrong with tying shit up. Okay? We don't need that anymore. Hopefully these plugs are the same as what I think the problem will be, because this is just a spade terminal, and that's what all the relays have, is just simple spade terminals. And I'm guessing the black wire from each one of these is just a ground that we're going to find that it grounds onto the front. Maybe grounds onto the same stud as this. That's usually what you find. So let's see what we got here for lights. Hey, aces. All right, these are the same plugs. Okay. All right, so as you can see, the plugs are the same plugs. I don't know if you can tell that from there, but they are. So the headlights are going to adapt in just fine, so that's a win. And then I'm going to just take a quick gander here. And it looks like, as suspected, all the black wires are just common grounds for each one of these. It says don't use this as a handle. Noted. I don't know if that's for picking it up or if they're saying don't drink it. Either way, don't do it. Don't do it, people. Don't drink yourself. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and switch like this. It's like we got a blue, a gray, a brownish tan, maybe a beige color here, and a black. I'm guessing black is going to be a ground of sorts. So we're just going to go ahead and pull our tan off here. We'll replace it with this tan. We'll pull our gray off here. We'll replace it with this gray. Okay. And then we'll pull these out of the way. And our black. And see, well, this one doesn't have a black. Okay. But seeing as it's got an eyelet on it, from the powers of deduction, I've deduced that that will go to ground. So we'll get that strung up under here, and we'll obviously go here to the front one. All right, there we go. A harness I'll hopefully be able to resell. All right, we're on our blue and our black. simpletons like myself. We got PSNGR, I assume that's passenger, safe bet. So we'll put that over here. And this one leaves driver, what's it say? Driver, alright, I'm a fucking genius, here we go. Driver side. Alright. Okay, then we're just going to zip tie everything up real nice, and we'll try it out on the truck. Got the plow all hooked up, got it plugged in, lights and everything worked. Let's make sure that the plow functions. I call that a big W for your boy. Something that should make you want to subscribe, right? Subscribe. But yeah, it's just a simple 8-foot Hiniker 4-function plow. And as you saw the wiring harness showed you before, just swapped it to the older style. Works flawlessly. I mean, it's pretty simple when you think about it. It's just 4 wires running solenoids, maybe spade connectors. So I just assumed it worked. My research didn't really drum anything up. Maybe people aren't stupid enough to switch back to this old style. I am, because it's what everything I got. So hope it was informative. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.